All right, bike boys and girls, got some lubricant for you. Hops or Hoppe's lubricating oil. It's a high viscosity penetrating oil designed for firearms and fishing reels. But I acquired this because a friend was moving and they had a yard sale, stuff was left over, so found this. I'm like, I'll use it because it's not WD-40. And I've been using it to free up loose bolts on my 42-year-old truck and various other bike things that I've interacted with. And this has done surprisingly well, maybe even better than the PB blaster that I could have bought stock in at this point. So yeah, I would totally recommend this for lubing cables, freeing up stuck mechanisms, like putting it in a gummy shifter, freeing up bolts that are rusted on anything, but especially for bike stuff, this has been really, really helpful. And even with automotive things, so it's like, I don't know, it's got a cool retro logo too, so why not pick it up? I think it's gonna be sold in places like Cabela's or Bass Pro Shops or any sort of sporting goods place in the gun section. And yeah, I think it's worth it. I think it's about $10 for 2.5 ounces. Definitely worth it. It has saved me so much frustration. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Add it to your bike shop repertoire. There you have it. Hoppe's number 9.